Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2023 Chevy Suburban. You just got to open up the glove box, and there's this little latch over here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me throw some light on here so you can see what I'm talking about. See that latch? You're going to push that towards the driver's side, like that. So, see that? Now it's unhooked. So after that, we're gonna push in on the sides, push in on this side, push in on this side at the same time, and this whole thing is gonna swing out. Squeeze the sides, swing it out, and take it right off, and your filter's right in there. All right, guys, take this tab, push it to the right and out, but then you're gonna swing the whole thing to the left and take it off. Now you have access to your filter. Just pull it right out. All right, when you get your new filter, the only thing you have to worry about when installing it is make sure these arrows are pointing down, okay? That's the airflow arrows, and the air comes from the top, go down, okay? Let's throw this in. There you go. Now you gotta put the cover. All right, to put your cover on, you're gonna just slide this on like that flat, and then you're gonna slide it this way. So this tab and these two tabs slide in place, okay? So just slide it in place, and that's it. And then you push it onto this side. All right, take your glove box and see these hinges. Just gonna put them in place, and then just slide it up, and it stays in place like that. Next, you're gonna hook up this thing, pull out the latch, and put it in place, and then you're gonna push it in place, and that's it. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.